Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MTP. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Tuesday, so that's where all these red and green line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement and such, I'm going to go ahead and do some house cleaning. Way too many lines. In fact, I'm kind of confusing myself. So let's just try to make this as clean as possible, so that way I don't create confusion, because there is so much clutter and lines everywhere. So the first update, though, that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So going into today, right here at 65 was an area of resistance, but now that the price is up above it, that is an area that you would want to see act as support. And so far, so good. Just a classic example here. You could throw this right into a textbook where level is, broken. The price pulls back, and you can see right there, did a great job of holding strong and, acting as support. So like I said, classic example there of the resistance turning into support. Now on the flip side of things, I'm going to make a slight adjustment here now that we have more data. And I called, right around 82 cents, that key level of resistance. But after we have more data from today, it seems as though the more accurate level is right up there around 86 cents. Because on two separate occasions this afternoon, you can see the price try to get above that area and couldn't quite do it. So that'll be the initial key hurdle that needs to be cleared. If the price can push up through there, then yeah, at that point in time, you can start to focus on more so these levels up there. The next key one being just that round number of $1. But as of right now, talking about doing battle and breaking above $1, getting a little bit too far ahead of yourselves, because the initial area that first needs to be focused on, like I said, and in the shorter run is getting up above the 85-cent mark. All in all, though, any way you slice it, as long as levels of support continue to get higher and higher, then yeah, resistance levels really don't matter, because again, like I said, as long as this price action continues, where the price is building higher bases, if you want to picture those as stair steps, then over time and given enough time, those stair steps will take care of everything else, including breaking areas of resistance. So nice move today. We'll see if the bulls can keep chipping away with these higher lows. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.